Bullish smooth love mixture cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.01 by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach $0 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Smooth love elixir presentation. With regards to play to acquire games, Axie limitlessness gets everyone's attention. As the main NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie limitlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients. Axie limitlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system, Smooth Love Mixtures and Axie Vastness Shards. Fundamentally, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the meantime, Axe is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository finances spending. Before we assess in the event that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie boundlessness biological system. Moreover, we will cover the variables influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie endlessness? Axie boundlessness support the play-to-acquire interactivity model wherein players are compensated by essentially investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie vastness from the vast majority of the present conventional close-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the obstruction to passage was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was galactic. In the meantime, there are financial backers and business people who can without much of a stretch shell out the assets expected to purchase axies, however don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole pushed the grant and society programs. Through an Axie grant, the supervisor or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player will use to play the game and procure SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to acquire and Axie limitlessness permit their patrons to receive a portion of the benefit. Axie boundlessness utilizes MMR or matchmaking rating. MMR is utilized to decide a player's in-game expertise level to put them against rivals of a generally equivalent ability level. A large portion of the Axie populace dwells inside the relaxed level. Basically, players saw decreased income from every game mode. Past everyday midpoints were around 200 SLP, yet seeming to be normal will currently be more like 100-120. Besides, in the 20th season, sub-800 MMR players will just procure 1 SLP per win. In the event that you don't have the advantage of time to acquire SLP, you can likewise get them an advantage from the possible symbolic appreciation. Players can likewise utilize their SLP to raise axies and offer it to different players. At the point when SLP at first sent off, it didn't really have a fluctuating worth as a digital currency. Nonetheless, this all changed when a liquidity pool for SLP was made on Uniswap. You can without much of a stretch purchase this coin by first purchasing Ethereum from any fiat to crypto trade and afterward moving it to the trade that proposals to exchange this coin. Smooth Love Mixture current cost. Smooth Love Mixture is presently worth $0. SLP has moved 3.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,209,204. Smooth Love Mixture is at present positioned 180 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $91,959,844 USD. At present, Sky Mavis is in the middle of restoring its picture and tending to the hack that tormented its framework and thus, Axie vastness. It is presently offering a bug abundance to detect any weaknesses in its shrewd agreements or web-related frameworks. As needs be, white-cap programmers will get somewhere in the range of $1,000 and $1 relying upon the seriousness of every weakness found. In the meantime, bugs in the application or web connection points will be compensated with $50 $15,000. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2023. Smooth Love Elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The SLP cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Smooth Love Mixture SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the SLP's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Smooth Love Mixture effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SLP has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2029. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Smooth Love Elixir will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 1 cent and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 1 cent, averaging out at 1 cent. Smooth Love Elixir Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest SLP cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. What is the Smooth Love Elixir cost today? Today, Smooth Love Elixir is exchanging at $0, a complete market